Welcome to the Lunch and Learn.
Today we will learn about the 2024 solar eclipse.
Today we will be learning all about the solar eclipse. The Earth is one of the planets in the solar system. We live on Earth. The moon. The Earth has one moon named Luna. The moon comes out at night. The sun. The sun is a star and a hot ball of fire that gives off energy. Solar eclipse is when the moon moves in front of the sun. During solar eclipse, it will get dark for a little over 3 minutes. What a solar eclipse looks like. The moon starts going in front of the sun. Full eclipse, the moon is completely in front of the sun, making it look dark outside. The moon is passing the sun, going back to normal. Who will see the solar eclipse? Monday, April 8th, 2024, the eclipse will be visible over Mexico, United States, and Canada. Texas's ideal location is for viewing. During a solar eclipse, daytime will look more like nighttime. The temperature will drop, making it a little cooler. It may take a while for it to return to daylight. Safety and the solar eclipse. You must wear special protective glasses to look at the solar eclipse. It is very important to protect your eyes. Will we see another solar eclipse? There won't be another solar eclipse in the United States until 2045. Let's review solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon goes in front of the sun. The moon will pass between the Earth and the sun. Enjoy the solar eclipse.
A great tool where you can enter your zip code in and see what the eclipse will look like. When I put in Martinsville zip code, it gives us a diagram of what the eclipse would look like in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is the closest major city they have available. It shows us that Martinsville will have a partial eclipse for 2 hours and 31 minutes. 83.8% of the sun will be blocked by the moon when the eclipse is at its peak. The eclipse will start at 1:57 p.m. and end at 4:28 p.m. The peak of the eclipse will occur at 3:14 p.m. It also gives us a look of where Martinsville's zip code is in relation to the path of totality, which is this black line right here.
Today you will receive a pair of special solar eclipse glasses. Please remember, do not look directly at the sun without the special glasses. Today's the day, it's finally come. I'll see a diamond on the sun. It happens somewhere almost every year, but rarely is that somewhere right here. We're talking a total eclipse of the sun, an incredible sight second to none. In ancient times, it was caused quite a fright when people saw daytime turn into night. Today, we know it's a great cosmic dance and predicts its movements far in advance. These dancers, there are Earth, Moon, and Sun. When they line up, the eclipse has begun. This idea will become much more clear knowing the Earth orbits Sun once each year, while Moon orbits Earth, showing phrase after phrase, repeating each 29 and 1/2 a days. These orbits are tilted, which help to explain why eclipses do not form a monthly refrain. An eclipse of the Sun can only arise when a new moon and two orbits all collide. This happens just about twice every year. At each of those times, an eclipse will appear. but only for those who are in the right place, and it's not always total because we're dealing with space.
If the moon is off center or slightly too far, your eclipse will be partial or just a lunar.
And even when all is as it should be, you must be in the shadows for totality.
The shadow is round and not very wide. Along a thin path it rapidly glides.
So if you'd like to see a total eclipse, find a good map and plan out your trip.
When the day comes, the daylight will dim for more than an hour, and as action begins,
Animals will start to act very strange. Patterns of light will gradually change.
you can use eclipse glasses to protect your eyes, but don't take them off till the moment arrives.
That's when you'll see the brief diamond ring, then the corona and the spectacular thing.
You'll look up in awe to see stars in the day until the moon's out of the way.
So be there with clear skies, and all is now set for a breathtaking view you'll never forget.